the statement clear before the court. And that is a good record for our international posture, that we went to court to say we are no longer part of this country. And therefore, under what they call the Nigerian Constitution, which is the 1999 Constitution, which is a fraud, we refuse, we reject any election in our land. We need to make that statement because we are accumulating the materials for our ultimate pitch before the international community. We have gone to the International Criminal Court to sue the government and important officials of the government of Nigeria about the killings in our land, about the killing of people in our farms, about the raping and killing of our women, about the killing of children on their way to school, about the destruction of farms and villages and farmsteads. We have done all of that. It is on record now before the International Criminal Court. So it's not just that when the time comes for us to put our case before the international community, we will be talking as if we are just gathering our information. We will not be just gathering our information. We have very solid information before the international before the international community. That is why we must go to court about the election that they have proposed in Ekiti and Osun. We must put the case clearly before the court of law that we reject being ruled, that we reject having election in our land under the 1999 Constitution, because we are not slaves. They are treating us like slaves, and we rejected, and we have gone to court to reject being treated as slaves. It's not a question of whether we win or we lose. We may lose, it doesn't matter. We may win, it's not particularly important. But the important thing is that we have in our hands a statement made before a court of law to the effect that we will not be ruled in Nigeria, because Nigeria is being ruled under a fraudulent constitution. That Nigeria is a fraud, and we are announcing to the world that we do not desire to continue to be part of it. That in fact we have taken steps in the force majeure thing that we declared with the South, the Southeast, and the Middle Belt, that we want the federal government of Nigeria to come and negotiate with us. They have kept quiet. They don't want to do so. They are arrogant. That's not how to rule a country. That's not how to rule a people. There is no need for arrogance in governance. The people are the people. They are the owners of the country, of the government. Therefore, arrogance is a foolish posture to adopt. So they have refused to come and negotiate. They have therefore accepted that we are right and they are wrong. That is it. That is our situation. The big thing now is how to amass the resources with which we will go to court. But I'm told that you in the United Kingdom are already doing something about it. And other people will rise up and join you. Whenever we have a little bit of money, let the case start in court. And when it starts in court, more and more resources will come for the prosecution of it. Pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà àwọn elite wa, àwọn tó jẹ́ bàbá wa, àwọn tó lágbára, àwọn ready láti join wa. The time will come when they would have no option but to come and join us. They will come running. Yeah. Because everything, the country of Nigeria that wants to hold us down is no longer capable really of holding anything down. I won't say more than that. They say they are planning to come and bring Tuaregs and ISIS and Al Qaeda terrorists from far away to come and invade our land. We are waiting, and the vultures in our forests are waiting for their flesh. Yeah, so that is it. We are Yoruba. We are the largest and most resourceful nation, black nation in the world. And we cannot be subdued the way they are thinking. People will emerge from far away and come to defend our land. I want you to be sure about that. But we ourselves at home, we must be ready to fight back and push them out of their land and let their bodies litter our bushes for the vultures to eat. Thank you very much. Ekushel, Mokinyo, I am an old man and I'm no longer strong enough to do the things that you need to be done. But I'm standing here by your side, behind you, and offering you the counsel, the advice that an old man must offer to his children in a moment of war. We are in a moment of war, and it's a war that we are going to win. Thank you very much. More of your meeting. Now I ask your coordinator to let me say these few words, and then I wish the meeting the greatest of success. And may the Lord bless every one of us engaged in this struggle. May we dance and laugh and praise the Lord at the end. Thank you very much.